Okay, if you have an ADT alarm system with a controller like this, the type where the battery, the system battery is in the control box, not in the keypad, and you have a low battery alert like I have right now, this is how you change the battery. Okay, the first thing you're gonna have to do is locate your ADT box. Mine is located in my closet. It could be located in a closet or garage or somewhere like that, somewhere out of the way usually. Typically it will have a key. The key may be on top, but you need to open that. When I looked in mine, there were 2 batteries, but the one you're looking for is this one. It should be a 12-volt, 7-amp battery. And you can see that mine says that right there. And it is a CA1270 battery in my case. Now, I was able to buy this battery on Amazon. Okay, here is the battery that I got on Amazon. As you can see, it is also a CA1270. It is 12 volts, 7 amps. It has a red and a black lead, so we can take these plastic covers off and we can put it in. Okay, so we're going to remove the red and the black leads from the old battery. And we're going to remove the old battery. And we're going to replace the old battery with the new one. We're just going to set it inside, and then we're going to hook up the red terminal and the black terminal with one hand. Battery will just sit in there, and then you close up your box and you're all set. Your battery is replaced. Now when you come back down to your keypad and check it out, you're still going to see that low battery alert on your keypad. That's because your battery comes not fully charged. And it's going to take about 48 hours for that battery to charge. And once it does, that low battery alert will disappear. So once it's in, your system is operational, and that'll go away in about 48 hours. You're all set.